If you're looking for a faster way to get paid for your work, Housecall Pro Instant Payout is a game changer. And in this quick Housecall Pro explanation, I'm going to show you how it works and why it might be just what you need to streamline your business. Whether you're a service pro or small business owner, getting paid faster is crucial. So stick around till the end, and I'll reveal how you can actually use this software for free with an exclusive bonus, only available through the link in the description below. Housecall Pro offers a powerful platform that helps businesses schedule jobs, invoice clients, manage team members, and more. But today, we're focusing on the instant payout feature, a simple and effective way to get your earnings quickly. When you complete a job, Housecall Pro's instant payout option gives you access to your earnings almost immediately, without waiting for traditional bank processing times or long delays. Once the customer pays their invoice, the money is available to you right away. No more waiting days for your hard-earned cash. Instant payout works seamlessly with your Housecall Pro account, meaning no extra steps, just a faster path to your funds. Now let's talk about how it works. Once a payment is made by your customer, you can request the payout directly within the platform. Housecall Pro will deposit your money into your linked account, typically within a few minutes. The best part? There are no hidden fees to access your money, so you get what you're owed without worrying about extra charges eating into your profits. Housecall Pro also integrates with other payment processors like Stripe, which means you can easily sync your accounts for quick access to funds. This integration allows you to manage your finances with more flexibility, taking the hassle out of accounting. Instead of waiting for multiple days for your money to clear, you can take advantage of the instant payout feature and keep your cash flow steady. For those of you who are just getting started, Housecall Pro offers an easy-to-use mobile app that lets you manage your jobs and payments right from your phone. You can check your balance, request payouts, and track payments all from one place, making it ideal for on-the-go service pros. But how does this help your business in the long run? For one, instant access to funds allows you to reinvest that money right back into your business, whether it's for new tools, advertising, or even payroll. This feature keeps your operations running smoothly without financial bottlenecks getting in the way of growth. So you might be wondering, is this feature really as easy as it sounds? Absolutely. With no setup fees or technical headaches, it's a straightforward way to boost your financial flexibility. And remember, when you use Housecall Pro, you're not just getting instant payouts, you're also gaining access to other great tools like automated invoicing, appointment scheduling, customer management, and more. If you're new to Housecall Pro, don't worry. You can get started today with an exclusive extended free trial. Just head to the link in the description below to claim it. This way you can test out the instant payout feature and explore all of the software's other helpful tools without any commitment. It's an opportunity to really see how this tool can fit into your business and save you time and money. So to recap, Housecall Pro Instant Payout helps you get paid faster, manage payments, and keep your cash flow steady, all through a user-friendly platform. Whether you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, this tool is designed to simplify your financial processes and save you time. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trial and start using Housecall Pro today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to get your extended free trial.